What's going on? Blake Wallace here, owner and principal broker of Wallace Realty Group, and this is going to be the first of an 8-part series on how to sell your house without a real estate agent. Now, I know it sounds crazy because I'm a real estate broker, and of course, I love to work with you in getting your home sold, but I know that there's people out there that just don't want to use us. And if you're going to go that route, I at least want you to be prepared. So listen, step one, the very first thing that you need to do when you even have the thought of selling your house is to go and find an inspector to do a full inspection of your home. Here's why this is important. When a home buyer comes to your house, they're going to do the tour, they're going to fall in love, but there's always going to be that contingency that they're going to want to get an inspection. And this is where the surprises come up. This is where that whole first love at first sight feeling leaves, because they find that maybe the roof needs replacing. Maybe the furnace needs replacing. There might be small amounts of mold somewhere that you don't even know about. These are just things that happen because normal wear and tear on the home. Of course, there's some deferred maintenance. We are all responsible homeowners. But there are things that we just don't do or don't think about while we're living in the home. But when you get an inspection, these are going to be the things that you're going to be able to call out, and you're going to be able to see what it is that you need to repair or replace prior to putting your home on the market. Because the rule of thumb is this: surprises always kill the deal, okay? So you don't want anything to be a surprise. So my suggestion is this: get your inspection, have that inspection report ready to show buyers, and have a list of the repairs that were completed after you got the inspection. Now, if you don't want to make any repairs after your inspection, that's totally okay. However, at this point, you're selling your house as is. And because you have that inspection done, buyers will not be surprised by anything that they find. And if you do that, you have to make sure that you price your home accordingly. So with that said, the inspection is going to help you in the next phase, which is pricing your home accordingly. All right. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to drop a question down in the comments and let me know. And if this video was helpful for you, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, this has been Blake Wallace. Thanks so much.